Welcome aboard Royal Caribbean, and we are on Allure of the Seas out of Barcelona, Spain, and we are in Grand Suite cabin 7660. Let's take a tour and check it out. The first thing you notice is tons of space and tons of storage. You will never be worried about extra storage space. And one thing you'll notice about a Grand Suite is that you have a sitting area, you have a bar area and closet area in addition to what would be a normal cabin space. So this is probably 1.5 to 2 times the size of a normal cabin on Royal Caribbean. So as you can see, there are plenty of places to store anything. You won't be in need for storage in this cabin. And you have places to relax that would be far different than a normal cabin. And if you're here with multiple people that will need to use the sofa bed, you'll be able to pull it out and you'll be able to cut off the living area so that you can be almost secluded, like you have 2 different rooms. So mom and dad, that will give you some privacy as well. And actually the sound, these are pretty thick, but you'll have a little bit of privacy here if you have multiple people in your party staying in this cabin. And then in the morning, just push it all right back and you're back to one open living space. How nice. And one of the biggest differences on the Grand Suite is that bathroom. There is tons of space, and this really spoiled us a lot on different cruises after this one. One thing you'll notice is it's got a bathtub. Now, families with kids, I'm guessing this is going to be beneficial to you, but for me, I really wish they would just do a shower instead. But it does have the Malin and Goats shower essentials, the soaps, the shampoos, and the body wash. And we did really appreciate the double vanity and so much space in that bathroom. Then there's the Lavazza coffee machine, so you get some free coffee in your Grand Suite if you want to make it. And then these plugs, you just got to get a converter. There's not many plugs. And then there's the balcony. This is double the size of a normal balcony. Let's check it out. Barcelona is beautiful today. Check out Barcelona. Beautiful. So most of the passengers board here in Barcelona, but actually on this cruise, about 1,000 are getting on in Rome, doing a Rome to Rome cruise as well. So on day 3 or 4 for us. So 2 deck chairs, a table, and you can actually have room service come here and you can enjoy your balcony. And then 2 deck chairs as well, but tons of space. This is going to be an excellent place to enjoy the view from our cabin. We hope you enjoy your time on Allure of the Seas as much as we did. If you want to know more about cruises, tips, and tours, and how we can get you on one, let us know.